welcome back to my channel. So today we are making super simple and delicious tomato spaghetti pasta. It's perfect for quick dinner or when you're craving for something comforting. So let's get started. First let's cook the pasta. So bring a large pot of salted water to a boil, and we'll also add little oil and cook the spaghetti according to the package instruction. Usually it takes about 8 to 10 minutes until it's nice and al dente. We will not overcook our spaghetti, but it should be al dente. While the pasta is cooking, so let's prepare for our vegetables. So I have chopped few of the vegetables. I have taken 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 cup of chopped zucchini, half cup of boiled corns, and 1 cup of blanched broccoli. I have also taken half cup chopped garlic, Once the pasta is ready, we will drain the water and save the little bit of pasta water. It will help to bind the pasta to the sauce. Now in the kadai, I'll add some oil. Once the oil is hot, I will add the chopped garlics into it and saute it nicely. To this we will add our chopped onions and saute it. Into this we will add 1 cup of tomato puree and cook it nicely. Once the tomato puree is cooked properly, we'll add some tomato ketchup. This step is optional. If you do not like ketchup, you can skip it. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of oregano. You can also add herbs, chili flakes, and I'm adding salt. Into this pasta sauce, we will add our remaining vegetables, that is zucchini, broccoli and corns, and toss it nicely with the sauce. The pasta sauce here is very dry, so we will add a little bit of the reserved pasta water. So our tomato sauce is now ready. Into this we will add our pasta directly and toss it together so that the spaghetti is nicely coated in our tomato sauce. We can also sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. It's completely optional. And a simple flavorful tomato spaghetti pasta is now ready. You can sprinkle some herbs, oregano on top, and it's very simple and delicious recipe. Do give it a try. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such delicious and easy recipes. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this out, and I'll see you next time. Happy cooking.